Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see together how to reset your Android phone easily, so let's jump right into it. Now the method remains the same but with slight differences due to the differences of the phones nowadays. First go to settings and then look for about phone. In some phones you might find that in the bottom all the way down right here. For me it is in the top, so let's tap on it. The option of resetting the phone might be found in storage for some phones, so check that out. If you can't find it there, you might find a button dedicated to it, name it factory reset, just like here. You can do a backup before that. Just go ahead and do a factory reset. It will tell you that all of this data will be deleted once you do the factory reset. Go ahead and tap on erase all data. Now I cannot record here, but it will tell you to fill in your PIN code, and after that tap on reset phone and the phone will be reset to factory mode and it will be like a new phone. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.